everyone, we're going to find the derivative of the function y equals e to the power of x to the power of x here. Our x is going to have to be positive. So before we start, we're going to let f of x equal this power here, which is x to the power of x. We're going to differentiate this and then deal with the e at the very end. So I'm just going to do this part first. So I'm going to differentiate both sides. So if we have that, I'm going to take log of both sides. So log of f of x equals log of x to the power of x. Now using my power rule for logs, this is going to be log of f of x equals x times log of x. Now let's differentiate both sides. So to differentiate this side, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to differentiate both sides. Now this is going to give you for log 1 divided by f of x times the derivative of your inner function, which is f prime of x. And this piece here is just going to be x prime times log of x, I'm using the product rule, plus x times log of x prime. All right, so let's see what we get. So this part here is just going to be f prime of x divided by f of x. The derivative of x is just 1, so we get log of x. And this is going to be x times 1 divided by x. So this just equals 1. Now that I have that, I'm going to cross multiply and bring this f of x up here. So I have f prime of x. That's going to give me f prime of x equals f of x times log of x plus 1. All right. From here, I'm going to substitute in my f of x. Remember, my f of x was x to the power of x. So now we have f prime of x equals x to the power of x times log of x plus 1. All right. Now, our y prime of equals, now we have e to the power of x to the power of x times this derivative. So I'm going back to my e now. So we're taking the derivative of your power. All right. So this is going to give me e to the power of x to the power of x. Now this derivative we already did, which is given here. So that's just going to be, let's just write f prime of x, which is this line here. So your final answer is going to be e to the power of x to the power of x times this line right here. So that's going to be x to the power of x times log of x plus 1. This one's a good one to think about for a little bit. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.